Singapore airport watching the no sun sunrise.
Very muggy.
Very muggy, it's hot. That's probably like already 28 and it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I don't know where the sun's come up from because we've been inside this huge labyrinth of a airport for the last 4 to 6 hours. I don't know, I can't remember. But we haven't slept in over 24 hours, so we're ready to go to Thailand, I guess. Who needs to be drunk when you're already tired?
Delusional.
Yes. Well, this is just a check-in. Look, there's some cars driving by. Hopefully we get on our plane in an hour or less. And then yeah, on the way to Thailand. Exciting. Can't wait.
Jacob keeps forgetting that the plane doesn't leave until 5 to 9.
Exciting. So we've just been delayed for like 70 minutes and we're in first class or business class now. We've got the fucking seats that go back with the good stuff. Now we're just waiting to go in a nice clean window.
Ooh.
Not exactly sure where we are, but it's just sky. Should be in Thailand very soon. Singapore fucking air, not Singapore, fucking Phuket. Phuket finally, been in the same pair of clothes for 30 hours on the challenge. That's a strip club, that's a strip club, that's a strip club, that's a strip club, more strip clubs after strip club. Alright, so we're currently on our way to Phuket Elephant Sanctuary. Exciting. We've got the bus. There you go. Cannot wait, I'm excited. We are somewhere in Phuket, couldn't tell you, I have no clue. It's not Bangalore Road, that's for sure. Some sort of temple. Yes. See you there.
Freaking out. Open up the flap, but it was a giraffe.
So we are in the elephant sanctuary.
19 kilometers, good hearing for 10 kilometers, and good detect vibration through the feet, to the trunk when the trunk put on the ground for 10 kilometers. Bamboos, gonna eat bamboo, they're gonna eat just only the leaves or bamboo shoot. So the way to eat that one, they help to crack a bamboo down on the ground.
Here's an elephant.
It's an elephant!
Ready to go. So this one is apparently a sanctuary, so
Wow!
no harm, and their goal is to free elephants from
Oh, it's so
work
good.
and labour. Like you see there, because that one's got a flat back from carrying people, but now she's just eating bamboo and relaxing.
Look, Ava!
They break a bamboo because the bamboo leaf on the ground floor.
Elephants.
The leaf. Like this.
Alright, so we are Kopipi viewpoint. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. So it looks beautiful from here.
Stop it.
it's the other side. You might not be able to hear it, but
Might not. Leonardo DiCaprio stood on the same beach that we're about to stand on.
fucking Jurassic Park style bloody islands. I love it. Which one's the weird one? I'm just hoping. This is so hot. Yeah, this is just in case everything I've been telling. Who do you love?
I love you, bro.
Yeah, I love that.
Forever and ever and ever.
What's your most favourite thing on this tour?
On this tour?
Yeah.
Bro, it's like vibing with the people, you know, day and day you build that relationship every time you hang out. Yeah,
it.
definitely my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh.
Who do you love?
You. Yeah, baby.
I know, everyone.
So blue, feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime.
Back in Sydney.
Ooh, made it.
Well, doesn't it?